Think the Hummer EV is too massive for your garage or local tight trails? General Motors just dropped a massive curveball that changes everything. To celebrate their brand new advanced design studio in Pasadena, California, GMC officially pulled the sheet off a pair of mid-size electric prototypes, the Hummer X SUV and the Hummer X pickup. They are smaller, sharper, highly customizable, and designed to bring ultimate Hummer presence to a whole new class of off-roaders. Welcome back to DRX AUTO MOBI. Today we are going inside GM's rolling lab to see the future of electric adventure. The sheer footprint shift here is wild. The Hummer X SUV is over 1.5 feet shorter than today's production Hummer EV SUV. It's measuring just 188.3 inches from nose to tail. That sits it right in the sweet spot of a four-door Jeep Wrangler or a Ford Bronco. But despite the smaller frame, its off-road geometry is completely unhinged. The SUV packs a massive 13.2 inches of ground clearance. Riding on 18-inch beadlock wheels wrapped in 37-inch Goodyear tires, delivering an insane 44-degree approach angle and a 46-degree departure angle, where these concepts get truly futuristic is how they are built. GM utilized a digital manufacturing process called Flex Fab, which essentially allows them to 3D print and shape metal body parts in small batches without massive stamping tools. The entire architecture centers around easy modular customization and sustainability. Many components are secured via exposed mechanical fasteners rather than adhesives, allowing you to easily swap out elements like the removable fender flares, or replace parts like the seat backs and dashboard ends, which are crafted out of recycled car bumpers. Now for the elephant in the room, can you buy one? GMC officially states these mid-size concepts are strictly intended as a tech and aesthetic testbed, rather than an immediate production vehicle. However, given how lucrative the mid-size rugged off-road space is, don't be surprised if this aggressive styling and drone tech filter directly into next-generation production GMCs very soon. Would you take a downsized Hummer over a Wrangler or a Bronco? Let us know down below. Hit that like button, subscribe to DRX AUTO MOBI, and we'll see you in the next one.